Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 7th May. Let's start. In the year of 1663, the Royal Theatre produced by renowned playwright Thomas Killigrew debuted in London. In the year of 1861, Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, a famous Bengali poet, storyteller, lyricist, composer, playwright, essayist and painter, was born. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. In the year of 1880, on this day, the great Indian Sanskritist and scholar Pandit Pandurang Baman Kane was born. In the year of 1889, on this day, renowned freedom fighter and founder of Hindustani Seva Dal N.S. Hardikar was born. In the year of 1912, on this day Columbia University approves a plan to award Pulitzer Prize in various categories. It was founded by Joseph Pulitzer. In the year of 1912, on this day famous Gujarati literature Pannalal Patel was born. In the year of 1928, on this day the voting age of women in Britain was reduced from 30 years to 21 years. On this day, in the year of 1945, Germany's General Alfred Gustav Jodl signs surrenders papers and ends the six-year war in Europe. In this regard, official statements were issued in London, Moscow, and Washington. In the year of 1946, on this day, Masaru Ibuka and Akio Morita founded Sony Corporation, a Japanese company that makes consumer electronic products. In the year of 1952, on this day, the concept of integrated circuit was first published in Geoffrey Dummer. It is the basis of all modern computers. In the year of 1956, on this day, Britain's foreign minister rejects all campaigns against smoking, saying that the bad effects of smoking have not yet been revealed. In the year of 1973, on this day, work was started to make Itanagar the new capital of the beautiful province of Northeast Arunachal Pradesh. In the year of 1976, on this day, Alexander Graham Bell received a patent for his invention, which he named telephone. In the year of 1982, on this day, IBM released version 1.1 of PC-DOS. In the year of 2001, on this day, Pope John Paul arrived on a historic tour of Syria and was welcomed by thousands of people with arms outstretched. In the year of 2002, on this day, a MiG-82 jet aircraft of Northern Airlines of China caught fire and it crashed into the Bohai Sea. All 112 people aboard the plane died in the accident. In the year of 2012, on this day, Vladimir Putin is sworn in as President of Russia for the third time for a six-year term. In the year of 2015, on this day, David Cameron again becomes Prime Minister in the UK general election. His Conservative Party got a clear majority. In the year of 2020, on this day, Bangladesh decides to reopen mosques for public prayers. The Ministry of Religious Affairs on 6 May announced that the mosques were being reopened in view of the overall situation. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Chinese government assured that foreign firms would have equal access to government support policies, including land and tax cuts. The Ministry of Commerce of the nation made the announcement. That's all. Thanks for watching.